Hey guys, B here. I'm in my original attire, and yeah. So today I'm gonna be I didn't have any ideas for a video until I did. It's just a small video where I'm just gonna go over a few Angry Birds. I've been a fan of Angry Birds since it came out, which is 2009. And well, I was born 2008, so yeah, I've been a fan since day one. But yeah, I have a few plushies here that I want to show you guys. Starting with my first one and my favorite. Here we have Redbird. Yeah, I've had him since I was like 6 years old, or maybe even younger, 5. But yeah, he's like my first stuffed animal plush. Next we have my second one, and one of my favorites, King Pig. This is my only pig. I plan on getting more in the future. Wait, here's King Pig. His crown has faded out since I've gotten older. Yeah, I love my pigs. Next we have Bomb. I got this one at Walmart. I got these two at Target when I was like 4, 5, 6, somewhere around that. But yeah, I got those at Target, got this at Walmart when Walmart still sold these, you know, the good old days. But I was like 20, that was like 2013, 2012. So good old days for me is just the beginning years of my life. But next we have a whole bunch, because I remember once going to Walmart, no, not Walmart, I went to Toys R Us. I asked my mom to go take me to Toys R Us so I get a whole bunch of Angry Bird plushies, and I got a whole bunch, starting with Terrence. This is when wave 2 came out. They had the little buzzer beater. This one has a 2, but it doesn't work anymore. Same with this one, it doesn't work anymore. But yeah, that's Terrence. I got the 5-inch one. I don't have the 8-inch one. I'm looking for that one. But next we have How. This is the one that doesn't open its mouth. There's a How plush out there that opens its mouth. I've been searching for that one. Like the other ones, this one had the sandbox, but over the years it's just stopped working. Same with this next one, Bubbles. So this is Bubbles. When I went to go buy these for the first time, they had the blimp Bubbles. Where is your speaker box? Yeah, this one doesn't have its speaker box either. But yeah, that's Bubbles. Next we have Chuck. Yeah, we have Chuck. Speaker box doesn't work. Yeah, that's Chuck. Next we have Stella. That's Stella. Next I got a few like special holiday ones, seasons. Two of them. Here I got female red, girl red. I think her name is Rose. But yeah, I have this one. Yeah, this one has a speaker box. Stopped working. And this one is my only Matilda. The biblically accurate Matilda, I guess. Right. Next we have Monkey. This is from Rio, the Rio movie, when they did the crossover with Angry Birds. It's pretty cool. Speaking of Rio, I got this guy. I didn't get him with these ones. I got this one in like a toy store somewhere. We went on like a road trip. We stopped at like a toy store in a few places. Some outlet mall, I think. And I found this. There you go. I don't remember this character in the movie. I remember the red one, but not this guy. Next we have Space Red. I got this one at Chuck E. Cheese when they're doing that giveaway of the Angry Birds. Yeah, I had Iceberg, but I don't know where he went. I've been looking for him. He's somewhere over there with all my other stuff. But next we got my biggest Chewbacca bird from the Star Wars, Angry Birds Star Wars. This is the 8-inch one. I got them at Costco, which is actually pretty cool. Probably the best thing to ever find at Costco. I have to ask the Costco Oracle. But my last one, I've been looking for this one for years. Ever since, Angry Birds went all under, and it's blue. I wasn't able to get blue when he first came out. So I was able to get this one years later, like last year. There's a toy store I go to called Toy Hunters by my house, where I work, and they have this. They have a few other ones that I plan on getting down the line, like a few of the pigs. So yeah, that's practically about it for today. I just want to show you guys this in my journey of getting more Angry Birds. It's my, big goal right now before I graduate from high school, of which I'm starting my junior year in a week and a half from now, August 20th. So if I know I'm pretty spotty with my uploads, but if uploads become like less present, it's probably because I'm in school. But I'll do my best to upload. So yeah, that's about it. Mall video coming soon. But yeah, bye bye.